James here. Welcome back to Tibaldi Goes Model Works, and this is part 2 of Rubicon models 156 scale World War II military vehicle series British 15 CWT CMP truck with number 13 cab. Now, as you can see, she's been flat coated and the decals have been applied. Well, the decals were applied first, and then it was also the Bren gun has been stuck in place. The roof at this point is still removable because I've still got to put the glazing in. Now it's flat coated. Although I should point out that the decal scheme is pretty fictitious for it. So up next, we've got some fun and games of gluing the glazing in. Now that is my glue and glaze. I think it's pretty much past its. I stuck the window on that. So let's check her fit. So methinks this has got to have a little bit of a trim. Or not. Yeah, I've got to give a little bit of a trim on the ends. On this end. Drop that. There we go. Get the tweezers up. There we go. And I've got to put some glue in there. So Mr. Unprepared, I've got to look for my cocktail stick to reuse, because I can't find mine. So I can use my airbrush needle. Now this is the unfortunate thing, the glue and glaze has gone a little bit thin. And I shall probably have to look for a suitable replacement. I don't know, well, let's get a cocktail stick out the... Oh, that's it. The beauty of this is it will go clear. There's also screens held in there. Right, there we go. I'll tell you what I'll do. Because it's thin, just capillary up the edges like that. And they get pulled up. Once that dries, it'll all be clear in there. And then we'll leave that, we'll set that aside and let it dry. Because we've got to get the cab roof on. So obviously we just need to clean up on these scrape these edges clean to allow the paint to do its magic. As you can see, I painted the seats up. And then there she goes in there. One thing I should point out, obviously I put the roundel on the roof. I forgot about that because I glued that in place, so I had to cut the roundel and slid it up underneath. Fortunately, the roundel was a little bit out of register, and the red dot was slightly off centre on it. Right. Hopefully this will stick it. It's a nice fit, the roof, but I just wanted it on there so when I weather it, it doesn't ping off. And then there we go. So we'll set her aside, and that's it for this exciting part of part 2, where you see me try and glue something on. Hopefully when I come back, I'll have her primed, I'll have her weathered. I'll put a wash on it there, like that, on it, hopefully, and hopefully she'll be done. So we'll see you in a bit. Well, it'll be like a few minutes for you. It'll probably be about tomorrow or the next day when I finish it. So we'll see you then.